and welcome back to Planned on Planning. It is so much fun to have you here. As you can see, we are working in the first week of April here in my personal planner, and I just cannot wait to get going with all the decorating that has to go and get one. This is the washi that we're going to be working with this week. As you can see, it's some beautiful washi. This of course is going to be our banner washi, and then I have this cute little stars, gold stars, foil gold stars. I am a lover of foil, if you haven't been able to tell already, for lining out our days. As you can see, I actually picked them because they match really well together. There's some gold foiling going on in our banner washi. So when I came across this in my huge washi collection, I was like, duh, why not? Like, of course they match. So all the talking at the side, let's get to planning and decorating and having a grand old time. So, as you know, we're going to get rid of our April. Nothing against April. It just doesn't work for what we're trying to do right now. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. Oops, got a little mess up. Got that going. And then I'm going to slide that to the side and peel. I'm doing a whole lot better with the peeling, if I do say so myself. And I'm going to go ahead and put it right at the corner, but I'm going to leave it a little loosey-goosey, just so I don't have to worry about it bubbling and puckering when I go ahead and press it on out. Bam. Get my handy dandy gift card. I'm bringing it flush to my rings and tearing. Bam. And then I'm going to go ahead and get the other side going. And I'm going to start off flush to my rings. And just like I said, leave it just a little loose. And I want to make sure that I'm getting right at the top of the page. Darn it. That I'm getting right at the top of the page if it would stop buckling on me. And bam. There we go. There you have it. Haha. And I'm going to go ahead and just bring it all the way to the end. Bam. So, quick and easy. Love it. And let's go ahead and get our days going. Now, the thing I love about working with these smaller, I believe they're 5mm washi, don't quote me on that though, is they don't take up a whole bunch of space. So I can go right above the number and put it down, and bam. So it has a really nice decorative element without taking up a ton of space. And come on, that's what we all need. We need space to write. Yes, we want to decorate and we want everything to be lovely and beautiful, but we also need space to use the planner what it was intended for, and that's to write down everything that we have to do, that we need to do, that we want to do, all that good stuff. So I'm a sucker for some thin washi, basically. That's what I'm getting at. I'm a sucker. Alright. And last but not least, yes, I'm going to put it right on the bottom. And I'm using the bottom of the page to help me line it out. Bam. And over to the next, over to the next. Now, of course, we have to get our stickers going. And being as how it's the beginning of the month, you know, there's bills to pay, there's groceries to get, you know, you got to restock up on just about everything because you done ran out of everything the end of the month. So I got to write all that down. I'm just going to put this right above the notes area. Love it. And just bam. Alright, so here we are. This is what we have so far to work with. I'm totally in love with what we have as like our foundation, so to speak. And now it's time to get a little decor going. I love to start on my weekly goal, and I just like to have a really nice inspirational quote. And what better than to use some quote stickers? Quote stickers. So I have my Create 365 with my quote stickers, and let's just see something that not only speaks to me, so to speak, but that really works with what we have going on. See, and I like this one here. This one here says, by doing what you love, you inspire and awaken the hearts of others. I like that. Um, if you follow me on other social media platforms, you know that this month I am spreading the theme of self-love, and I have a 30-day self-love challenge going on. So I think this totally works with my self-love challenge. So each day for the month of April, I'm going to be doing something different to promote self-love. And I have it on my blog. I have it on my social media platforms. So definitely, if that's something you want to join and be a part of, come on through. But back to planning. So like I said, I have a ton of things to do this month. And what I need is like a nice little to do up in here because we got some bills to pay. So, oh my gosh. When you remember that you have like some freaking awesome stickers, I think I like this one as of today. So I can just put all my stinky little bills here that I don't want to pay and I kind of hate, but I guess that's life. So today I'm going to get some bills paid. So I like this, the plan. The plan is to get some bills paid. Alright, so let's get some other things going. Ooh, we got some weekends in this wonderful blue color. So I just want to put like a hello weekend. Oh, let's do it right here. Hello weekend. I'm just trying to line it up real nice. Hello weekend. Alright, I have it today, which I think is super cute. I have some little projects that I want to get done, so they're definitely a priority for Thursday. I'm sure there is a note to self that I need, and a reminder for Saturday because I have to go get my car serviced. So that goes there for that appointment. And I'm just going through just little notes that I need to make to myself before we get flair. So before we go all out with the flair and get everything looking all cute and sassy, I think I want to get it done right here. This is a reminder. The weekend's gonna be crazy. Just to be honest. I like this for a Sunday. Do your thing. Do your thing, girl. There we go. Alright, so now it's time to add some flair and go all out and get some decor going. So no more of this mushy stuff. I know it's a little too big, but I really like this. So if we add it here for Wednesday, a nice little list of things to do on a Wednesday. And I like this on Sunday. It's a nice little art deco to make it pop, which works very well for what we have going on already. I like. Alright, now let's get some cool inspo going on. Alright, let's get, I'm looking for just some really fun stickers to put all throughout. Actually, let's get some more Today stickers going on. No. Let's just commemorate the Friday. Love it. Alrighty. It's think happy, be happy. Some great inspo for Thursday, because like I said, I have some projects that I want to get done on Thursday, so it's kind of like, whew. Alrighty. Do I have a go for it? I'm gonna go for it. Let's make a note. I have this wonderful don't forget for Sunday. And alright, let me go back to, I have these little stickers. That's what I wanted to do, add a little flair. That's what I had them for, because they totally match with what we're doing. I'm just putting that right in there. Alright, so I did want to add my quotes. There we go. Do less and be more. And I like this. Just chill. Because if there's one thing I know, is that I need a chill pill every now and then. So, of course, as the week progresses, I'm going to be adding a ton more stickers and doing a ton more with it, filling in the days, writing down all the many things that I need to do. But until then, I think we have a really, really great start going on for the week and having everything nicely planned out. I'm totally in love with the direction that everything's going. Working off of the colors from our banner washi, everything comes together with the pinks and the greens and the blues. And it's a very nice springy spread that we have for this week. So I thank you ever so much for joining me here on Plans on Planning. If you have any questions, any comments, definitely drop a comment below, or you can reach out to me on social media. Slide in my DMs. I'm always happy to converse and talk with you guys. And if it's even more easier, just shoot me an email. I definitely check my email 6 million times a day, so it's never going to be too long before I respond back to you. And with anything, questions, or you just want to chat, I'm always down for a chat. But until next time, thank you ever so much for joining me, and I will see you later.